Hi, welcome back. Let's break the answer for the question number 52, question of the day. Choose best copy control options for billing document in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. All these are the different options. Okay. Update document flow. Okay. So this option they're giving, actually you think that, copy control, this one is available. Okay. So that I can able to choose this. Let me explain you. From order to delivery, you have a copy control, you have a document flow required, and you require a billing. Okay, delivery to billing, that is fine. But when it comes to billing copy control, you don't require this option. Okay, and second one is update pricing. Okay, so pricing type and update pricing, okay, are closely related. Okay, so the answer you can able to choose is B and F, and you can able to choose E. Copy requirement routine will be there. Okay, you don't have billing category. Billing category is available in billing document type definition. Cancellation billing type is available in billing document type definition. Okay, update document flow is wrong answer. You can able to choose the answer as B, F. You can say update pricing. You can call this one as a price source. Okay, he just wanted to confuse you, that's why he gave the update pricing. Price source will be there and price type will be there. Okay, so B and F and E are the correct answers for this question. Okay, thanks so much. Thanks for joining the session. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe my channel to get more inputs like this. This is my dedicated Udemy forum, currently holding 6,000 plus students, and all these are the different courses available at my end. If really interested, you can subscribe this course. This is one of my top course, 112 hours, and these two are the courses: getting master to write functional specification and complete pricing concepts. You can able to choose this, and I have different courses at my end. I'm just providing these links below of this video or the description box. You can give it a try. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat.